Hey there! Welcome back to the Wealth and Health Mastery channel, where we break down everything you need to know about health, wellness, and fasting. Today, we're diving into a hot topic, monk fruit. Yep, that sweet little sugar alternative that's been taking the health world by storm. And the big question is, does monk fruit break intermittent fasting? Let's get into it. First, let's talk about the whole concept of intermittent fasting. The idea is to give your body a break from food so it can focus on things like burning fat, reducing inflammation, and even repairing itself. Pretty amazing, right? But then comes the fasting window dilemma. Can you use things like monk fruit sweetener in your coffee or tea without messing it all up? That's the million-dollar question. So what's monk fruit anyway? It's a natural sweetener derived from, you guessed it, monk fruit. It's super sweet but has 0 calories and doesn't raise blood sugar levels. Sounds perfect for fasting, right? Well, hold on. We need to dig a little deeper. One of the biggest concerns with fasting is anything that spikes your insulin. Insulin spikes can pull you out of a fasted state, and that's a no-go if your goal is fat burning or autophagy. But here's the thing. Monk fruit is generally considered insulin neutral. Most studies show that it doesn't cause a noticeable rise in insulin levels, so you're probably in the clear there. Now let's talk about your gut. One of the cool things about fasting is that it gives your digestive system a break. But does monk fruit interfere with this? The short answer, not really. It's not like sugar alcohols, which can sometimes mess with your gut microbiome. Monk fruit seems to play nice, making it a pretty good option for gut rest. How does monk fruit stack up against other sugar alternatives? Stevia, erythritol, aspartame, all these have their pros and cons. But monk fruit stands out because it's natural, calorie-free, and has no reported side effects for most people. Plus, it doesn't leave that bitter aftertaste like some alternatives. Win-win, right? Okay, here's the important part. If your goal is weight loss, monk fruit sweetener won't break your fast because it doesn't add calories or spike insulin. But if you're fasting for autophagy, the body's way of cleaning out damaged cells, there's less research. Experts suggest that any sweet taste, even without calories, could potentially interfere. It's still a gray area. What about ketosis? Good news. Monk fruit doesn't seem to impact your ability to stay in ketosis during fasting. So if you're doing keto and fasting together, you can probably keep your monk fruit coffee without guilt. But wait, there's a catch. When buying monk fruit sweetener, always check the label. A lot of brands mix monk fruit with other ingredients like dextrose or maltodextrin, which can spike blood sugar and break your fast. Stick with pure monk fruit or blends with erythritol if you want to play it safe. Now let's keep it real. Science on monk fruit and fasting is still limited. But based on the evidence we have, monk fruit seems like a solid choice for most fasting goals. It's all about finding what works for you and staying mindful of your fasting intentions. So, does monk fruit break fasting? Nope, you're good. For autophagy? Maybe, maybe not. And for gut rest, it's a thumbs up. Just remember to check those labels for sneaky additives. If you want to learn more about intermittent fasting, check out our book on Amazon. Link is in the description. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fasting tips and health hacks. Drop a comment below and let me know. Do you use monk fruit during fasting? I'd love to hear your thoughts. Until next time, take care and happy fasting.